Hi, very good morning, children. Today, let us take the geography third lesson, motions of the earth. You might have heard that earth is a moving planet. Earth is our planet, blue planet, living planet. It's always moving. All the planets are moving. So earth is also a moving planet. But in earth there are two movements. How many types of movements are there? Two types of movements are there. Which are they? One is rotation, one is revolution. You know what is the center of solar system? Which object is at the center of solar system? All other objects, all other planets and other objects are revolving around this object. What is that? Center of solar system. Yes, the correct answer. It is Sun. Like other planets, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids, Earth is also moving around the Sun. This earth has two types of movement. One is rotation, one is revolution. Rotation means self-movement of the earth. Earth moving around its axis itself. Such movement is called rotation. What is called? Rotation. So what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis, which causes day and night. So the result of rotation, the result of self-movement of the earth is occurring or happening of what? Day and night. Second type of the movement of the earth is called revolution. What is the second type of movement of the earth is called? Revolution. So what is revolution? Earth is revolving around an object. What is that object? Sun. This revolving of earth around the sun or movement of the earth around the central figure of solar system, that is sun, is called revolution. So what is revolution? Revolution is the movement of earth on a peculiar path. What is that path? Orbit. Every planet has its own path to move around the sun. Earth is also having such path. So this movement around the sun is called revolution. So these are the two types of the movement of the earth. Rotation and revolution. Actually, this is the subject matter of this lesson. What is the lesson title? Motions or movement of the earth. There are two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Rotation can be completed, or one spin of rotation can be finished by taking 24 hours. You may know that. 24 hours. That is one day. This period the earth is taking from one rotation is called Earth Day. What is Earth Day? Earth Day is the period or duration that earth takes for one spin on its axis. That means self-movement. This self-movement of the earth, the period for the self-movement of the earth is called Earth Day. What is the duration of this Earth Day? You know, it's 24 hours. That is one day. So one day is Earth Day. What is the period? 24 hours. This movement is called rotation. As a result, what is happening? What is the result of rotation? It is as a result of the earth that occurs day and night on the earth. In case you just imagine, please guess, earth is not ready to move on its axis. What will be the result? The consequence will be unbearable. We can't even imagine that. Because either there will be day all the time. Otherwise, always what? Darkness or night. These both are needed. Which are the both we need? Day we need and night we need. So, rotation helps us a lot. What is the result? What type of support rotation helps us? Yes, occurring of day and night by taking 24 hours. By this rotation is over. Next we can go to revolution. Revolution means the movement of the earth around the sun. How much time is used by earth to move around the sun on its orbit? Orbit means the path, a way that earth moves around the sun. How much day is taken? 365 days. Actually, accurately, it is 365 and 1 by 4 day. That means 6 hour also. But there are some years in which we are getting 28 days in February. This year, such type of years having 29 days, not 28, 29 days in February is called what leap year. Such years can be called leap year. How is the leap year occurring? Because in the past 3 years, we are leaving 1 by 4th of a day, that is 6 hours. So 6 hour plus 6 hour plus 6 hour plus again 6 hour constitute 1 day. 6 into 4, 24. So in a leap year, in February, how many days will be there? 29 days. Such year, what type of year? Years having 29 days in the month of February is called leap year. So in leap year, how many days will be there? 366 days will be there. So normally, apart from the leap year, all other 3 years there will be 365 and 16 days will be there. Okay. That is revolution. And what is the result of revolution? We have already noted the result of this rotation. As a result of rotation, day and nights are occurring. As a result of revolution means the movement of the earth around the sun. What is happening? Yes, it's also very useful to the animals or living organism. That is climatical change. Not climatical change. It's called seasonal change. Seasonal changes. Change of seasons. Various type of seasons are as a result of what? Revolution of the earth around the sun on an orbit, on a well-defined path. Which are the important seasons that we people in India that we are experiencing? There are 4 seasons: summer season, winter season, spring season and autumn season. These are the 4 types of seasons. Which are the 4 seasons we are experiencing as a result of this revolution of the earth on its orbit? That are summer, winter, spring and autumn. Summer season, winter season, spring season and autumn season. So we have already discussed Earth Day, right? Earth Day means the duration the Earth takes for one spin of rotation, by which we are experiencing day and night. What is this term? Let's discuss. Circle of illumination. You know that earth is placed or earth movement will be in a sense somewhat sloping or an elliptical way. Earth is always want to be moving. So one part of the earth will be always facing the sun. The opposite part will be opposite, will not be getting sunlight. So the part of the earth that receives sunlight will be experiencing daytime. Are you getting me? Yes. The half part of the earth which is facing the sun, which is directly facing the sun, will be getting direct sun rays and naturally and automatically that part will be experiencing what time? Day or night? Day. And the opposite side there will be darkness, there will be no light at all. This part, so there are 2 parts, 2 well-defined parts for the earth, 2 hemispheres you can say. Yes, right. Yes, the part, there is a middle line. The line which separates day with night. The line or the circle, the half circle that separates the day with the night is called what? Circle of illumination. Circle of illumination. What is circle of illumination? The circle that separates the day from night by the earth is called what? Circle of illumination. Why it is happening? Because at a time the earth, the half part of the earth will be facing the sun. Then that part will be experiencing daytime, the opposite part will be experiencing dark or night time. So this circle that divides the day with night can be termed as what? Circle of illumination. Then in the next class we have to understand three terms also. Which are the three terms known? Equinox, summer solstice and winter solstice. Equinox, summer solstice and winter solstice that we can discuss in the next class. So we can conclude this chapter once again. Okay, I repeat, please listen very carefully. There are two type of movements of the earth. One is rotation, one is revolution. These are the two important types of the movement of the earth or motions of the earth. Rotation is the self-movement of the earth on its own axis. It is completed by taking one earth day. One earth day is equal to one day. That is how many hours? Yes, 24 hours. What is the result of this rotation? As a result of rotation, what is happening? What is experiencing by the organism? Day and night is occurring. And next we can go to revolution. Revolution is the movement of the earth not on its axis. It's not the self movement. It is the movement of the earth on, along this orbit to revolve around the sun. How much time is taken by earth for completing a revolution? How much time? 1 year, that is 365 and 1/4 day. By taking such a long time, earth can complete one revolution. What is the result of revolution? Result of revolution is this. What is this? 4 seasons. Seasonal changes are occurred due to rotation or revolution. Yes, definitely it is revolution. Which are the main seasons that we people are experiencing? There are 4. Summer season, winter season, spring season and autumn season. Summer, winter, spring and autumn. And next one, what is circle of illumination? Which part of the earth is facing the sun directly? That part will be receiving sunlight. Which part is receiving sunlight? That part will be experiencing what? Day or night? Day only. What will be the lot or fate of the next part, opposite part? Yes, that part, all the animals will be experiencing night time. So there is 2 circles, 2 semicircles or half circles are there. The circle that separates the day from night can be termed as what? Circle of illumination. So let me think all these areas are clear for you. And let's say goodbye for a short span of time. We can meet again. Thank you so much. Goodbye.